Kumasi Asante Kotoko against Nsoatreman and then Nsoatre na Asante Kotoko any Nsoatre lineup no ekutami. Me breaking it down with my coach friend Ogu said me catch him on panel. Said this time around starting 11 on the banner very extremely unpredictable because Kotoko has so many training sessions. And pinpointing the starting 11 to some extent to be a bit difficult, but because of Augustine Japan injury and also because of Abrantia, your friend Richmond Lamptey injury, the coach was definitely going to make changes. Now, Oko Nsoatre team no play about Kwani against Oberhagen, which is a Felix Hammond is on the bench. Maxwell Credu and starting. But their talisman back one, Abdul spotted in jersey number 14 is in the setup. Sadat Mohammed is also in the setup. Abdul Rahman Mohammed. Obioka Abdul Rahman be tryout so Kotoko. Mono Kotoko almost the entire preseason. But then I Asante Kotoko Efano among engineer signing in jersey number 23 and now against Kotoko. Can he prove that indeed he was a player next Asante Kotoko signing, or the story will be a different one altogether? But let's go to Asante Kotoko starting 11. Maybe then I'll break down the system our coach because from what I'm seeing, it looks like coach a friend of a year Ogu more of a 4-3-3 system. But it looks like there will be so many variations in this setup. Dalad Ibrahim is the goalkeeper. Now, Sharif Mohammed Ibobi, jersey number 4. Number 9, Steve Mukwala. Number 12, Michael Kyei Dwamena. So, Michael Kyei Dwamena, Enya Timno, William. Henry Ansu is playing. Kalu Watara, Yusuf Mohammed Nuruddin, Andrew Sintimenu, Nicolas Osei-Bonsu, Peter Akwa, and Richmond Opoku. The players are on bench. Rocky Dwamena is on the bench. Frederick Asari is on the bench. Prince Anderson is on the bench. Julius Ofodizigi, Shadrach Ado, Eric Zeze, Nana Benini Amwa, Bernard Sumwa, and Sharif Mohammed defender. This is players on the bench. So from what I see, it looks like Sharif Mohammed, Andrew Sintimenu, back on the right back. Because as on this paper, almost 30 game no. But coach Ebo Dalad goalkeeper Nicolas Osei-Bonsu Ebo as the left back. Now when you're Abrantia, your friend Sharif Mohammed is also in the setup. So Nicolas Osei-Bonsu left back, and Yusuf Nuruddin and Henry Ansu 4 and 5. But because almost Sharif Mohammed, Andrew Sintimenu and Michael Kyei Dwamena, means that one of these players never bought right back. It is a game Nanka started for us to know who exactly will play the right back. Because there's Sharif Mohammed midfielder. There is Michael Kyei Dwamena and Andrew Sintimenu. Richmond Opoku Mukwala Kalu Watara and Peter Akwa. So I'm on the front three. Mukwala, Kalu, Peter Akwa, the other boy against Bichim and one or the able. And 4 other midfielders. Now from this, Richmond Opoku never bought number 10. John never replace Richmond Lamptey. Then there will be a double pivot. The only year we say whether Andrew Sintimenu Michael Kyei double pivot or Sharif Mohammed Michael Kyei double pivot. Not Bakwa right back. But from what it stands now, it means that Andrew Sintimenu, Sharif Mohammed, and Michael Kyei Dwamena back on never bought as the right back. But on paper, you cannot say exactly who will be playing as the right back as it stands now for Asante Kotoko because almost 30 game. In other Kotoko matches, play however right back he didn't play, Sharif Mohammed. So one way or the other, you can't predict that maybe Sharif will also play. But then not training and Kotoko, there were times that normal Andrew Sintimenu and Prince Anderson and then swap it for the right back position. So Michael Kyei will play in the middle, but the other kind of match and anchor starting near shape position now and the baby of Diako. It's said a member of the Dalad Sharif Mohammed Kuala, Michael J. Henry, Ansu Kalu Watara, Yusuf Nuruddin, Andrew Sintimenu, Nicholas Osebo, so Peter Akwa, and Richmond Opoku. Dembele, Noah Mas, no Bo Opoku T Academy, Fene Caris, and Wababe joining team of Asante Kotoko. And bench, Rocky Jamana, Freddy Kasari, Prince Anderson, Julius Ofori, Shadrach Adom, Nana Benina Moa, Sharif Mohammed, Eric Zeze, and Bernard Sumwa. Asante Kotoko line up against team of Nsoatreman, and the Abode Tell, and the Yamam. You see,